So over here you can see that I have a 3D composition right here, and what you can do with this composition is you can go around and add in lights as well. So to do that, over here you need to go around and click on new layer section, and over here you can see that light is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that a light is added in right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, 4 views right here, just like this, you can see that this is what you have right here. So if I were to go around over here on the top, then this is what you have, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around over here and move this, and over here if I were to go around onto light, then this is what you have, as you can see. You can move the light backward or forward right here, and depending on how you place the light right here, you can see that this is how it actually shows up right here, just like this. So this is the light. So let's just go around and move this around, and if I were to go around and move this down right here, you can see that the light actually goes around and affects out the scene right here, just like this. So I can go around over here, move it back right here, just like this, and you can see that it affects out the 3D scene right here, depending on how I place out the light right here. Similarly, I'm just going to go around and click on light right here, just like this, and this is what you have right here, and pull this, let's say for example, back over here, just like this, and then pull this out over here on the side, and then you can see that I can add in 2 lights like this as well. And depending on where you keep it right here, just like this, you can see that I can go around and adjust it out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and pull this back and pull this up, and then get the lighting as you want on the 3D layers as you want, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and add in lights inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.